all, welcome back to an industry presentation by Venkat Ramana, Education Business Manager of ViewSonic. Over to you, sir.
Hi, good morning, and welcome you all for the session by ViewSonic. So ViewSonic has been a tech player in India for the last 35 years. We started in 1987 in India, and we have been working to give the best of experience to the educators in India, both with the hardware as well as the software. Let me share my screen for a while. Yeah. So these are the different hardware lineups we have with ViewSonic, right from the projectors, which can be installed in the schools, uh, whether it's a data projector or the short throw projectors. And we do have the interactive displays, which are the smart boards which you see in the school, which are touch enabled, which we'll be talking in detail. And then we also have monitors, so for the labs and other requirements in the school, which ranges from the size 15.6 until 32 inches. So we have a diversified range of monitors as well. And then we do have pen displays, which are in different sizes, which helps the teacher to create the lessons. So ViewSonic is all about having innovative display solutions which are specifically designed for educational needs. So to put it short, we have display solutions right from 1 inch to 100 inch. So the 1 inch right from the pen displays at 200 inch projector displays, we have the complete range of display solutions which are required for the edtech institutions. So these are the smart boards, which are interactive flat panels, which comes in different sizes. So we have ranges from 55 inch to 98 inches, and it all comes in 4K native resolution, which has 20 touch points. So at the same time, educator can call up 4 or 5 students to operate on the board simultaneously. That's why we have multiple touch points, and it comes with different operating systems. It has an inbuilt Android. The teacher can connect the laptop, or it has an inbuilt PC as well. So it has multiple operating systems, Android, Windows, even it works in Linux as well. And this board gives you the closest experience to the Blackboard, because we have been used to Blackboard for so many years. So even if when the teacher is using the panel for about 7 or 8 hours a day, we have made sure that it's completely safe for the teachers. It comes with an anti-glare, so that the students, even the ones who are sitting on the last bench, will be able to see it very clearly. And then it comes with the blue light filter, and then it does not flicker, so it's safe for the teachers to work very closer. And also it comes with a speaker, 32-watt speaker. So given the standard Indian classroom size, which is usually between 20 feet, 20 cross 25 feet. So it is equipped with a speaker, which is good enough for the entire classroom. And it comes with dual pen, so that the teachers can write one side of it for writing, and the other side you can use it for highlighting. And also you can split the screens in a different way. So if the educator wants to split the entire board into 4 different parts, and to have one file over here, or play a video here, or they have a worksheet somewhere here, so all this different splitting of screens is also possible by the software. So we have different education solution packages. So right from preschool, then primary, then higher secondary, then universities. So the needs and the requirements of all these scenarios are different, because the students are of different age groups. So the needs and the solution which is required is also different. So we have customized packages for the schools, institutions, based on what the conditions which are present. So based on the number of students, or the size of the classroom, or the location of the school, sometimes in a high bandwidth area, or sometimes in a remote area where you do not have much of internet. So we have different customized solution packages. We offer consultancy as well. And not only for the schools, but also for the teachers, we help in a different ways to create your lessons. Or if you are inside a classroom with a board, we help with a lot of inbuilt applications within the panel. And also, if the teacher is educator is going live on multiple portals like YouTube or Facebook or multiple other channels, we help in the remote classroom scenario as well. Or in future, we expect it to be a hybrid learning scenario, where the 50% of the students will be in the classroom and the rest 50 would be listening or learning from their homes. We do have our own hybrid learning solutions as well. So it comes as a different packages, and no two schools are the same. So we have different solutions which meets the needs of each of the school. And this is about the hardware. We have multiple hardwares, right from monitor to IFP to pen displays, which can be quite useful for the teachers as well as for the entire school ecosystem. And we do have our software as well. So we have a complete suite of software which is in the name of MyViewBoard. Let me switch the screens. So uh, so we have different software solutions which helps the teachers. So we have Whiteboard, which is an annotation software which helps the teachers to create lessons, to interact with the other students, and also go live, and multiple other aspects of digital learning. So we have both in Windows as well as in Android. Suppose a teacher is used to Chromebooks without any OS, we do have a solution for that in the name of a Classroom. So this is completely built on browser. So it all the three platforms, so Android, Windows, as well as browser based, we have the same solution across different platforms. Apart from that, we do have a lot of modules which helps the teachers. So for example, Companion is a module which would help the students to interact with the teacher. So when the students have their own devices and they wanted to interact with the teacher, either by sharing the problem which they have solved on a piece of paper, they can snap it and then send it to the board for the entire classroom to see. Or if a student is solving that at home and he wants everyone in the class to see it, so he can use this Companion app. So this helps the students to interact with the teachers. And display is more of wireless sharing. So a student can share his screen on a laptop or a tablet onto the big screen. Or manager is a module which helps to monitor all the devices, turn on or turn off the devices at one specific point. Say 9 a.m., all the devices have to be turned on, and 6 p.m., all the devices have to be turned off. So all this can be done with the help of the manager module. And all the sessions can be recorded. So irrespective of whether you are in Windows or Android, all the sessions can be recorded by the teacher. And the teacher can also go live. So right now, if you want to go live on a YouTube or your Facebook page or your Facebook group, it becomes a complicated process because you have to have a streaming software, then the green screens and multiple other settings are involved, which are not too easy for an educator. So we have made it completely easy. You can just go directly live from the software, which is MyViewBoard, on any of these channels, just by copy pasting the stream key and the URL key. And we do have our own content. This helps the teachers to understand how content can be created. So we do have a repository of files across different subjects, from science, maths, geography, history. All this content is also available, which helps teachers to understand how we can create lessons with MyViewBoard. And we also have our video repository, which has more than 2 million educational videos, which are curated educational videos, which helps teacher to conduct classrooms more easier with the help of videos. So the sign up process is very simple. You can go to myviewboard.com, and then you can sign up with any of your existing IDs, be it a Google or a Microsoft login or an Apple login. You can use any of this to sign in, or you can just have your name, first name, last name, email, and the password, and then it will take you to this screen. So once you sign up, you'll be able to see the screen. So this is how it will appear. And here in the download section, you'll be able to see all what we discussed now. So if you are using a laptop, you can download it, the Windows version. Or if you're using just a phone or a tablet, you can download this Android APK and install on your devices. So I made sure that the software should not be restricted only to the hardware. So irrespective of whatever device the teacher is using, be it a laptop or a desktop or a tablet or a phone, we have multiple platforms where you can download and install and start using it. You need not necessarily have a smart board or interactive panel to use our software. Our software is completely free. The standard version is free for all teachers to download and experience. And here is where, after you sign up, you can download the Windows versions and the Android version, or if you want to see that in a Play Store from an Android phone, it's also available here. And soon we will have an iOS version as well. And these are the other download links for the other modules we were just discussing, the companion, or if you want to have a display, if you want to manage all the devices, if you want to record or go live. So all these are different modules. So, but this is the main one which you can install in a device, and these are the add-ons, so which will help you perform a lot of other functions as well. So let us switch to viewboard. This is the whiteboard which I have installed in my Windows PC. So the login will be the same which you use to sign up. So using the same login and password, you can sign up here. Once you sign in, you here you'll be able to see that, and you can change the color of the board as you want. So all these options. So if you are used to a green board, you can change that, or if you used to only a white board, you can use that as well. And this comes with different cloud storages. So there are embedded Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, and we have OneDrive Personal and OneDrive Professional. So if your school is on Microsoft Azure, you'll be able to sign in with your OneDrive as well. So it becomes so easy for the teachers. You need not carry your laptop, you need not carry a pen drive or a book. So everything will be stored inside the software. And all you have to do is you have to open the software and log in. So the entire software will be personalized for you. So all the documents you usually use will be available for you. And so here is the recording option and the option to go live. So here you can see, once you start recording, the entire session will be recorded. At the end of the session, it will be available as MP4, which is the most common video file format which we use. Or if you want to go live, so this is the one you have to copy. If there are multiple platforms which are supported here, you can either use a Facebook or YouTube. All you have to do is copy and paste the stream key and the URL, and you'll be able to go live directly from the software. And we have made it compatible to all the different type of educational materials which we commonly use. So these are the different compatible formats. So images, the videos, audio, or you might have your content in PPT, document, PDF, OneNote, or text format. And these are the other popular formats in the West Flip chart. So all these formats are compatible on this platform. So for example, if you have any PDF, so all you can do is drag and drop. So once you drag and drop, this PDF has about 5 different pages. All the pages are embedded. So this can be a lesson, or it can be any type of document. So on the top of which you can start, you can select the colors, and then you can start annotating and talking to the students. So not only the PDF, we can also, this is for opening a new page, and you can also drag and drop different type of images which you have in your PC or offline images. So likewise, you can also import MP3 files. You can also import videos and multiple other formats which you have. And we also have a embedded browser. So you need not switch between multiple windows. That is one of the common problems for the teachers, switching between a software, Windows, and a browser, and then accessing a lot of files. So we have made quite easy so that the teachers need not switch between multiple windows. So everything is available for the teachers right in one place. So suppose you wanted to have some text to be added to a lesson, select it and drag and drop. This text will be embedded in the platform. And not only that, you can also do the same thing online. So like we have seen that you can drag and drop the image, offline images. You can also do that for online images. You can drag and drop images like this, so which are all the images which are needed for creating lessons or interacting with the students. Not only that, you can also have videos. So drag and drop the video here, and it would start playing. And you can also have screenshots. Suppose we are talking about the evolution of the moon, and you need a screenshot here. Click on the screenshot. This is the first one. Say this was, say 10,000 years ago, and this is how it was, say 3,000 years ago, and this is the current form of moon. So all the screenshots can be taken, and then it can be neatly aligned in such a way that it helps the students to understand. So now you can use the annotation tool and then say that this was stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4. So it becomes completely easy for the teachers to conduct the classrooms. And sure. So these are the different other features which we have. I will request you to go to myvivo.com and then directly download the software and in your respective devices and start using it. So we have an artificial intelligence pen which detects what the teacher is trying to do, and then it will display what the teacher is trying to get it from online. So it happens automatically, and it can also detect your handwriting and then convert into typefaces, that is the fonts. And it can also convert your speech to text. So when you're conducting an online class, you wanted to convert your speech to text online, just like a subtitle or a caption, it happens on the software. And also text to speech, you can also make the text to be read out. And this software is available in multiple languages, not only English. We do have the software available in Hindi and other regional languages as well. And you can drag and drop the videos. You can receive the screens from other devices. You can send the screen to different devices of the students. And you also have an option to conduct pop-up quiz. Say you have a session for 30 minutes. At the end of the session, you wanted to test whether the students really understood it or not. So we do have pop-up quiz options, and then there are a lot of distance learning tools, screen recording. So, and then there are a lot of infinite inbuilt animation libraries, and we also have infinite canvas. So you can add as many pages, and each page is infinite. And we do have, so this is about the software. You can download and experience it. And we do have the pen display series, which helps the teachers to create lessons. It's available in with display, without display, in 7 inches, 10 inches, and in 13 inches. And so these are some of the products and the specifications which you can check. So these are the different usage scenarios, whether you are a teacher using a podium at the university, or you are an educator who are more into distance learning, or you are in the classroom, you have your own laptop. So there are multiple scenarios with which you can use both ViewSonic's hardware as well as the software. And for the educators who are in Delhi, we have started an experience center in Delhi where you can see what are the different hardwares and how the software works. You can bring in your students as well to experience the entire learning process. So we have set up, and it's up and live now, and you can visit it anytime. And we do have an ViewSonic Academy, which is helps teachers to upgrade themselves. So we know that it's something new for the teachers, because what we have been experiencing in the last 2 years, we have never done that before. So we also have an ViewSonic Academy, where we will help you to understand a lot of concepts and then make it easy. Because the philosophy at ViewSonic is, whether it's hardware or the software, whenever we develop in the boardroom, we make sure that it helps teachers to be the heroes in front of the students. Or we wanted to help the teachers to really adapt to the technology. So we have a complete series of certifications as well. So we have three levels of certifications, which is level 1 is graduate, and level 2 is educator, and level 3 is authorized professional trainer. So we have an opportunity to work with ViewSonic as well. So these are the different certifications we have. And if you have any questions regarding consultancy for setting up your school, or if you wanted to know about what are the solutions you can have from ViewSonic to your school, or if you wanted to use the software, if you are facing any hurdles, you can do that. Or you can also reach out to us at this email ID. So this is from ViewSonic. I'm looking forward. Yeah, thank you.
So indeed, ViewSonic is providing a great platform for digital learning, which is need of the hour. So I, behalf of APIC News Network, would like to thank Mr. Venkatramana, the Education Business Manager of ViewSonic, for joining us at the third Global Education and Skill Conclave. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for